Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Leah May Torquesa Lasiste, 24 years old. I am single. I have two kids, 4 years old and 5 years old, sir. I living at Maquindol Benito Sullivan, Isabela, sir. I have two sisters and one brother. I am the fourth child in the family. I am high school graduate, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience here in the Philippines is housemaid. I work one couple and two children, age of 4 years old and 24 years old. My responsibilities is cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. I take care of 4 years old, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check her temperature, sir, and tell to her parents.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am responsible, hardworking, and honest, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
I don't have to, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for my family to have a good future in, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My parents and live-in partner, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work, sir, and remind to myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m., sir, and I wake up in the morning at 5 p.m. 5 a.m. po.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be calm, sir, and responsible.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
A little bit in cut, sir.
Okay. Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I willing to cook, sir. To learn, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am hardworking. I'll do my best for your family and I am responsible.
Okay.